We all hear people talking about wanting a life of financial freedom. It's a dream many of us share. But here's the thing, most people don't really make achieving financial freedom their top priority in life. Why is that? Imagine if you made achieving financial freedom your number one goal. How different would your life look? Like, no, seriously, I really want you to think right now. I'm talking to you. How different would your life look? Going where you want, when you want, for how long you want. Now, feel it. Feel how good that feels. Now imagine the alternative. Without financial freedom, life quickly can have a lot of financial struggles. Every expense that's unexpected feels like a crisis. You're stuck in a job that you hate, dreading Monday, counting down to Friday, just because you can't afford to take the risks that you want to take. Vacations, experiences, and simple pleasures seem like they're so far out of reach. Stress and anxiety seep into every part of your life, even affecting your health and your relationships. Living paycheck to paycheck means you're only one emergency or one disaster from having everything wiped away that you worked so hard for in an instance. It limits your choices and keeps you from building a better future that you desire. Anybody can tell you that sounds like a miserable life, but by making financial freedom your top priority, you can avoid that. Financial freedom should be your top priority. Firstly, for the stability and the security. And when I say financial freedom, I just want to break this down. We're not talking about making millions of dollars a year. That's great if you want to, right? But there's levels to financial freedom. I teach the financial freedom trifecta: financial security, financial independence, financial freedom. You don't need all three, but you need at least one. Because by having at least one, that now gives you the peace of mind to know you can cover your expenses, cover any emergencies that may arise, and you can now take the risks that you always wanted to take. You can now self-educate yourself, buy books, buy courses, go to conferences, visit cohorts, and spend that money without worrying where it may come from, because now you've achieved a certain level of financial freedom. This helps you focus more on your life and not be stressed out by your life. Now we can start to have more personal fulfillment in our life. We can start to do those things we've always wanted to do, the things you've always said you wanted to do, because we'll, one, have more money to do them or a bigger cushion to do them, and two, when you have more money coming in or a bigger cushion, it reduces the stress and worry you have on yourself. So instead of getting off work and being stressed out and needing to decompress and do all these things, and now it may take an hour or two to get your mind right, you're now stress-free, and that's an extra hour or two you have to do the things you love to do, which is living life on your terms, doing what you want to do, and pursuing the dreams that you have. But we can only achieve this with financial freedom. And one of the most important reasons financial freedom always needs to be your top priority is for the liberation of your time. You want to buy back your time. Without that, we are bound to a location and we're limited to what our job gives us for PTO or whatever you can afford. Right now, most likely you're in a job working 40 to 55 hours a week, and you don't get to choose what you do with your time. Yeah, you may have PTO, but how much PTO do you have? 1 week, maybe 3 weeks at some, more lenient jobs, but you get 21 days, not even 21, because 3 weeks, I think it's like 15 days, right? They count only the weekdays. So you get 15 days to spread out through all of life's pleasures and all of the things that you want to do, between going to see family and friends at weddings, going to children's games, going to birthday parties, and other events as well. That's not enough time. So by getting that financial freedom, we can make sure that we get our time back. You now can control your schedule. You control what you do. You control where you go. You control when you go. And you control how long you go. Come back when you want to come back. Go when you want to go. Because you now have the option to do that, because you kept financial freedom as a top priority in your life for years, and you did not give up and you did not quit. And guess what? Anything that you don't give up on and you don't quit on, you will get. That is just a fact. As long as you put in the work that it takes and you stay consistent and you stay persistent, you will reach your goal. So never forget that. Never stop thinking about why you're doing what you're doing. Never take financial freedom from your focus lens. Again, you may not have the same aspirations that I have or other people have, but even if you want to make $1,000 a week, or if you want to make $1,000 a day, if you want to make $500 a month, or if you want to make $500,000 a month, you still need a certain level of financial security, financial independence, or financial freedom. Again, we have to achieve at least one of them so we can make all these things come true in our life that we want to make come true. So if you like this type of content, make sure you go to my description below and connect with me personally. I have a lot of resources coming out that are going to help guide you through financial security, independence, and freedom, basically through your whole financial journey. And if you like making money, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you don't like making money, then don't subscribe. It's that simple.